where racing is always at its best. And they're off. Early lead is taken by the favorite Boss Barawana, moving up on the outside. Platinum Lance, Lexibon in between horses, and Sulong Pinoy. And as they lead the straight, it's Sulong Pinoy in between horses, Lexibon, Platinum Lance on the outside, and the favorite Boss Barawana is bringing up the rear. Heading for the backstretch, Sulong Pinoy in the lead, followed by Lexibon in between horses, and Platinum Lance running in third on the outside. Boss Barawana running in fourth by 3.5 lengths. It is still Sulong Pinoy by half a length, followed by Lexibon in second, and Platinum Lance remains in third by 3.5 lengths, and closing in is entry number 1, Boss Barawana. Nearing the part 10, it is still Sulong Pinoy by half a length, followed by Lexibon on the outside in second, and running in third is Platinum Lance, and here comes Boss Barawana moving up on the inside. Rounding the part 10, Lexibon on the outside, Sulong Pinoy by the rail, but it's still Lexibon on the outside and Sulong Pinoy by the rail in second. Boss Barawana now closing in third, and Platinum Lance. The last bend for home is Lexibon in the lead. It's Lexibon, Boss Barawana moving up on the outside, Sulong Pinoy and Platinum Lance. At the top of the stretch, Boss Barawana on the outside and Lexibon. It's Lexibon and Boss Barawana on the outside now moving up to grab the lead. It is now Boss Barawana, followed by Lexibon by the rail, Sulong Pinoy and Platinum Lance. And finally, the winner of the 2011 Pilracom Amethyst 3 is Boss Barawana, Lexibon, Sulong Pinoy, and Platinum Lance.